हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और अब बिना टाइम वेस्ट करे चलो बैंकिंग एंड इंश्योरेंस के बारे में पढ़ लेते हैं। बैंकिंग एंड इंश्योरेंस आर टू सेक्टर्स which are fast evolving and witnessing a transformational change. Banks are the backbone of all the activities because every transaction where money is involved, the bank is the main character. Insurance business is one of the prominent financial services in modern times. The major role of banks is to intermediate resources from the depositor to the lender for their mutual prominent financial services in modern times. The major role of banks is to intermediate resources from the depositor to the lender for their mutual benefit while allocating them in an efficient manner, thereby contributing to economic growth through enhanced efficiency in usage of resources. Banking is actually the business of protecting money for others. Banks lend this money generating interest that creates profits for the bank and its customers. A bank is a financial institution licensed to accept deposits and make loans, but they also perform other financial services. Insurance is a contract, also referred to as a policy, where an individual is protected from financial losses by an insurance company. In order to receive protection, the company will be the insured person to pay a fee called premium. The basic concept of insurance is that one party, the insurer, will guarantee payment for an uncertain future event. Bank assurance is a relationship between a bank and an insurance company that is aimed at offering insurance products or insurance benefits to the bank's customers. In this partnership, the bank staff and the tellers become the point of sale and the point of contact for the customer. It is a win-win situation for both the bank and the insurance company. The bank derives more revenue while the insurance company gets a large customer base. Indian banking and insurance industry are undoubtedly well structured. Bank insurance, while offering convenience, presents potential disadvantages like conflicts of interest, limited product options, customer service concerns, data security risks, and